everyone, my name is Leon and welcome back to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe. Now in today's video, I'm going to be basically showing you how to record videos on Xbox. Now unfortunately I don't have a USB stick to actually put into my Xbox to actually carry out this tutorial myself. So I'm just going to show you someone else do it instead. I make sure to credit them and all that stuff in case, just so that this doesn't count as plagiarism or anything like that. You know, it just doesn't look like I'm, how can I say, using their video without their permission. So I'll make sure to credit whoever I use. So without any further hesitation, I'm just gonna, well, basically let you watch it.
Dashboard, and you guys want to go to the right, and you get this little tab right here. It's like the recording tab, capture and share tab, and you guys want to go down to advanced settings. So this is where you can actually change the settings of your clip. You know how whenever you press, the Xbox button, you can press the clip, and this is how you actually change those settings to make them the best of your ability. So obviously I have them changed, so your guys' settings might not look like mine. Some of your guys' might, if you know what this is, but yeah, you guys can see plenty of options here. We have an option to turn the mic on, so if you guys do have an Xbox headset, which I do have right now, you guys can't see it, I don't have a face cam, but I do have an Xbox mic that is connected, and yeah, I can talk on it and whatever. If you guys want to enable, in your clip for your mic to be on, you guys can talk in that video. You guys can do that, and then you guys can obviously adjust the mic volume to be more than the game volume, which I would recommend. I don't really talk on my Xbox mic since I do use an Elgato, but yeah, you guys can definitely mess with that. Use your mic to actually make videos and stuff. Next, you guys obviously go over here. You guys capture by me or games. This is not really that important, but I think this is the part where most of you guys wanted to actually know how to do. So most people could only do 30-second clips. If you guys go on this setting right now, you guys can actually extend it to like a 2-minute clip, so you guys can talk for like a minute or two, and it'll probably cut off and you guys won't be able to make a full video. But what you guys can do is I'll show you another app that you guys can paste those clips together and make a full video on your Xbox, totally free, and it's super simple to use. So you guys obviously set that for 2 minutes if you guys want to talk for 2 minutes or whatever, and then you guys are automatically upload captured by me. That doesn't really matter. Here, the resolution, I think this matters quite a bit. If you guys are uploading to let's say YouTube, you guys want to do it on 1080p SDR. I don't know what SDR means, but I do know what 1080p means. Is the average for YouTube. If you guys do 720, you do get 5 minutes over here. You guys can record for 5 minutes, but it is on 720. Obviously I don't really recommend this. I would rather go for quality over quantity, but yeah, for all the people that want to record longer with less quality, here it is. Obviously your Xbox can't handle 1080p 5-minute recording, but yeah, you guys see that is definitely an option for all you guys that want to make longer videos, less quality. But yeah, I think that was basically it with these settings. Capture location doesn't really matter. Internal, obviously, it's going to stay on your Xbox or whatever. And yeah.
Okay, so that is how you record videos with your Xbox. If you found this valuable in any way, then be sure to subscribe for more with the bell on. Drop a like and share the video around to boost its search rankings and help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or just general areas for me to improve on, then be sure to leave them in the comment section below or message me via Instagram or Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, everyone.